Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the course of data analysis. In this tutorial, I am going to present you how to conduct sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis in the domain of big data and NLP impacts in the business. For example, if we have a business and how we are performing on a specific product or service, we can generate some outcome from the customers through their review on the products. The review can be conducted online on the website or in the social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Now in this tutorial or today's tutorial, I am going to show you practically how a review of a movie can be analyzed. We are going to using Google Colab for the experimental purpose. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to show you that we have a dataset in a CSV file format. I'm going to open the CSV file just to let you know that how the file is looks like. So this is the review actually, and the sentiment of their 0 denotes to negative and 1 denotes to positive. Now, if we read one specific comments of a given customer, he suggests once again, Mr. Constner has dragged out a movie for a longer than necessary. Aside from the terrific sea rescue sequence, which there are very few, I just did not care about any other characters. Most of have ghost in the closets and Costner character are realized early on and they are forgotten only until much later. By which time I did not care. So finally, so if we see that there are some points that so no magic here, that means the movie was very straightforward and therefore he has a negative sentiment review of the movie. So now let's start how we are going to analyze it. As I said that we are going to utilize Google Colab, TensorFlow Keras, and we will in this tutorial we will develop a simple convolutional neural network. I'm not going to discuss about convolutional neural network today because we are in other tutorials I will discuss much more in depth what is CNN or convolutional neural network. So today's focus is on the how we conduct sentiment analysis on a given dataset. So this dataset, movie review dataset, is a public dataset. So I received it from Kaggle. So first of all, the first task is that we have to connect the Google Colab with our drive, because in the drive we have the file uh, that is which is our CSV file. So first of all we are going to run it. So simple Google Colab import drive, and we would utilize the operating system. So we use OS. So it will ask a permission simply. So it is within my account, so I have to, so it will say some terms and contract, so you can read it. So simply better read it what it is going to do, and then because I have read it several numerous time, so I'm going to give it allow. Then all right, now I'm going to take some necessary packages. So first of all, we are going to import pandas, numpy, tensorflows. Those are, and very importantly, we are using NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit. So these we are going to run. So this, without this package, obviously we know that um, our our tasks will not be completed. So now is df, that is I have taken a variable. In the variable is actually df, which is data frame. Where is my data frame? So it is actually connecting here with my review. So you can simply just see in my drive, it is in my big data, and it is somehow review, should be review csv. Okay. So this is another way to connect it. So because it is pre-connected, okay, so I have encoded the all data in, so because they are, you see that they are in text data, and they are also numeric values. So I have encoded them. After that, we are going to, first thing is that let's we are going to, there are some stop words like full stops and those on. We are going to remove all of them. So this is a function I have written that remove stop words, because it is there is I think 50,000 review. I so it is going to uh, take a while because they are reviewing all the stop words from the given CSV file. So it is completed. So a stop word has been removed. It has taken from the CSV file because it has taken in the grid, and now I am going to declare some the water tokenizations and padding properties. So I'm not going to describe what is tokenizations and padding in this tutorial because it is I'm just going to show you how we are going to do it. Okay. Second, we also need to do some more model parameters for we have taken for the, as I said that we are going to conduct use CNN here. So for this purpose we are going to describe our what are the models parameters will be look like. All right. My now in these sections we have divided our data set into using train test split function, so of Python. So our training sentence, test sentence, train sentence, test label. So we have divided into this way. Our x is obviously all the like columns, and y is the rows. That means y is the y is the labels. So we have divided into x and y into training sentence, train sentences, test sentence, train labels, and test labels. All right. And now in these sections we have defined the CNN model. We have used a sequential model. That means it will sequentially um, uh, conduct, as we know. So we will is one dimensional. We have taken one dimensional. We have taken our sorry, excuse me. So there is not, we have activation, we have taken ReLU activations, we have taken segment again at the last stage. So now we are going to compile and see how our model looks. So this is our models. So we have used around total parameters trainable. So it's good. It's good. Okay. Now we have defined how many epochs we will run we will run it. So after we run this our model, okay, so and we will save the weight of the of our in in a separate hi5 file, so that we can generate much more classification results. Here our epoch has started. Okay, and remember, I forgotten to tell you, always turn on your GPU. It will give you a much uh, quicker time. It will take less training time than normal CPU. All right, so after epochs we have received that our classification report is as this is the negative is out of 1 80 0.81, recall 87 f1. So in our negative, true positive has defined 6,476 and correctly 6,600 uh, 6,686. So this is our confusion matrix suggests this is true positive. So some true negatives here. Um, we see there are the our validation curve suggests there is bit imbalanced data set actually. So anyway, as I said that our aim in this tutorial was to show you how we can conduct the sentiment analysis using a simple CNN. In the next tutorials, I am going to show you how we can use other traditional uh, models such as SVM, support vector machines, KNN, random forest. and we will see that how they perform in this data set. So we may also much make it much more deeper this CNN model, so that we will see that whether we get the accuracy, does our model accuracy improves or not. It is not bad result, I will say, comparing to the very small network described here. But obviously there is some more experiments we need to conduct, because in data science it is very important, students, you need to conduct several experiments using other models, other machine learning algorithms, and then you can maybe try to develop a new algorithm. We will see that how we are going to do it. So at this moment our model looks like this. So this is a quick overview how the sentiment analysis is conducted using Google Colab and CSV file. In future, we are going to describe how other machine learning algorithms work on the same dataset. I hope you enjoy the tutorials. I will make the notebook available on request. So, uh, thank you very much.